What's up, guys? Morning. How are you? Morning, Robot. Morning, Fudgy. How y'all doing? Is the link working somehow? I posted a link. I don't know if it's working or not, but we'll see. I think it's working. I don't know why it's so slow. Okay. No. Is that the live link? Let me see. Let me set up. Let me set this up. Let me just set this up. Why it's not working? And we'll talk. Alright, guys, what's happening? I hope everybody is doing great, and that's its E. Okay. 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 Today is December 3. That's good. Okay. Alright. Okay, GKS is coming down. Alright, guys, what's up? What's going on? Uh, So Robert, I basically try to use mostly. I use sometimes stochastic RSI, and I use like mostly support and resistance. When I'm trying to get in, I try to get in around the moving averages like 50, 100, 150, and basically I use EMA. I use EMA just for the support, but pretty much that's what I use. So let's look at Tesla. What's Tesla doing? I'm glad I picked up. I should have picked up a lot, but a little bit of selling off happening. I'm gonna remove this EMA, but mostly I like trend lines, support, resistance, a little bit in oversold territory, overbought territory, but kind of selling off, going down. That's good. Uh, yeah, 86 still pretty good there. To kind of do crowd was a monster, but I've been telling apps. If you got in, you should be good. But overall market looks good. Um, see, crowd is up hugely. Okta, Tesla. We have what do you call? Splunk had huge sell-off. Huge sell-off. So we are down here. Oh wow, that's like I think it could be kind of good. I think that's a little bit overreaction. I think Splunk could be actually good right here. This seems like a overreaction. I may actually get few like long term. Yeah, but the thing is like they have a time. They have like 3 years period to kind of fix it. And Oh, that's awesome, Michelle. That's what I was doing with the Tesla too. With Neo, they do have a time. So if they are like crappy company, they would probably be the exposed anyway. But Neo and they're pretty big company. Again, not saying like they cannot do fraud, but it's just the complying, right? They need to comply, and they have a time 2 3 years. So if they comply everything, they'll be fine. What's going on? Let's look at Amazon and man, Amazon been kind of slowly doing good. Okay, nice. 25. See, it was just curling, slowly rising. I definitely see like they're probably gonna go 30, 33 soon. Still right at support, above above support. Let's look at the BA. Man, my lips are printing. Oh wow. Oh wow. I knew it. Snow would be really good, but oh man, literally 95. Snow would have been what a really massive, massive gain on snow. See, crowd, I was telling like it's probably gonna reach 61, and it is actually went up to 55 and now a 61. That would have been good trade actually. So all-time high crowd is like it's breaking out. It's actually a good time to actually add to the crowd as well, I think. Good earnings. Look at that. Oh shit. I don't want that, but okay, okay. What's Oh, PayPal. Hey Christian. Yeah, PayPal had been doing really well. I haven't seen PayPal today, but PYPL. Oh yeah, PayPal is right at okay. This is a good sign. It's holding this level, so all-time high kind of not breakout. Volume kind of decreasing, so I want to see a little bit more volume. But as long as we hold this level, like which is like 13, 12, 13, I think as long as you hold that level, that's a positive sign. But it's holding pretty good. Nice consolidations. We had a couple of times to get in actually, even after earnings. This was good. This was good. But finally, it came back, and I think as long as you hold these levels, we should be going higher. Really, it needed some time, but yeah. That's a good wave. People are looking good. Lot of charts. Okay, okay. Let's look at Tesla. So seems like it's not filling the gap on the downside. It's looks pretty strong. Buyers coming in. If you look at 5 minutes, okay, still holding that label. So as long as it hold, this looks like a good support label. So as long as it holds 85, I think I see positive on this one. If you look at the 5 minutes, right? It's holding these levels, and if you look at that, this was pretty good support like during the pre-market too, and it was kind of resistance before. So probably before support too. But if you look at just from the pre-market support, and we are high. So as soon as I think like if you break this 95, 96, that would be really positive for Tesla. Yeah, it's looking good. It's kind of struggling right there around. It kind of tried to go there, and then sell off happened. So it's just the buyer and seller are fighting. Still is struggling, so it's kind of going down. But yeah, it's kind of struggling that area. Once it all right. Yeah, Tesla is like kind of struggling that area, so it has to really breach that area. I think that's when it just kind of goes boom. Let's look at the Neo. How's Neo doing? Actually, sometimes Neo just run. A lot of people's want not really running. So yesterday it was literally like, If you got in the dip, it was a really good dip buy. Went up to like 47, so that was the almost like 14%. But today seems like a kind of selling up just because of that news. Back. Yeah, I think that was a resistance, so kind of sold off from the resistance level of 29. That was my I think that's just the area you can see that 29, and it just rejected that one, and we are heading down. So it looks like there's some good, there's some support around this area from yesterday. 27, a smaller time frame. If you look at a daily, see, that was resistance right here. It's been kind of rejecting. It has to breach that level if it wants to go higher. Otherwise, it's going coming down. There's some support around 27 probably. If not, it will probably go down. But that's what's happening with BAC. Well, we don't know if it's gonna break or not, right? That's why nobody knows. That's why you look at that, and if it breaks, then you get in. If it not, so basically you usually buy on the support. So basically you'll be buying here, you'll be buying here, you'll be buying here. You buy on the support and sell on resistance. That's the idea. That what you do is if it break out, then you enter. Not right now. Right now it's not breaking, right? It's holding that, so it's kind of going, if you ask me. But if you just get in, it's a chop till it's breakout, right? So you break out, then you get in. That's the whole idea. Ba 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 ba. Okay, nice. So Baba has been so it sold off again, went to 60s, kind of coming 60, 66. I wanted to get in, should have got in this morning, but have not. Let me get my cell phone. Like I have a lot of things, but yeah, Baba needs to bridge this 68 level. So once you bridge 68, it's going to be good. Last times we actually rode last times literally from 50, 60 to till here. A lot of people sold it, so made good money. I'm out, all out, but I wanted to get in yesterday, didn't get in, but should have got in morning. But if it breaks, I may get in like 67, 68, and maybe try to ride a little bit. But it's going there, looking strong today. Let's see how that happens. Yeah, Baba looks that. And what else going on? I think Neo got some upgrade too. Yeah, yesterday was a huge sell-off and literally good recovery. If you look at that, it was a good support from the previous area too. I'll be so happy if it goes 30. That would be good buy, but probably not gonna go there. And if you look at EMA, still up. That's good. Datadog is doing good. Let me see. I have some. Nice. T is 29. Maybe I'll do 30. So T. So Apple. Apple doing good. Square looks good. Tesla is looking good. That's good. Space. Boing. So how's Tesla doing? Tesla. Okay, it's struggling in that area. 96 not breaching, so kind of not a good. Yeah, Connor. If you go to my all you do is just, I guess you can do RJ trade support and resistance. Just type there. I think it should come, or it should probably not. Um, yeah, I think that's me. You can subscribe to my channels, and you'll get all those videos. And once you are there, what you do is go to video, and probably like if you do support and resistance, yeah, support and resistance for bring beginners, not even long. And I actually go through a lot of the tickers, and maybe go by go, like how to draw. And yeah, you can check out a lot of other videos too. If you have any, pretty much whatever you need should be here. Support and resistance, ascending triangles, and you know, Fibonacci, and I cover all those things. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. But it's there. Then you should be able to draw them pretty good. And it's all about practice. Kroger, what do you think of 2023? Yeah. See. That's why the selling is really good for this chop, you know, when it's yeah, same with the Apple. It's holding this level 21, so as long as it's hold that 21 level, I think it should be good. um, but yeah, next up I definitely see like 25, 24, 25. I'm kind of struggling. A lot of things gapped up today, so the crowd is pretty much crowd looks really good, but other than that, Tesla is kind of selling off. Look at Fiverr. It's been freaking monster every day. I don't know. Somehow Fiverr is like so cheap. It was like 2023 and I see 206. I thought it's gonna be so small and it's just like ridiculous. So that's why I'm not getting one of the reasons. Man, Tokyo is 122. Did Tokyo already had their earnings? No, it's gonna be on 4. Today is 4 or 3, so tomorrow. Man, I sold with the low profit, but looks like I could have got a lot more profit on Tokyo today. Apps looking good, nets, return good. Yeah, T-Dog, I really like this. Let's see how that holds. Pins has been doing great. Baba is almost. I think Baba could be a good swing. Pretty good for tech stock mostly. How's DKNZ doing? Yeah, it's been struggling a little bit. Fubo. Yeah, Fubo TV. This is one of the new entrant, and it's been really doing really good. And yeah, kind of struggling. So I may kind of add it if it drops more. I'll add it to. Yeah, see, that's why I'm saying, right? Don't get in like just because a Tesla upgrade, right? A lot of people will get it right away, and I was telling me, right? You need to look at the volume and you need to have a stop. That way, you always look into the risk rewards and get in. What's up? What's up, guys? What's going on? And Netflix and Neo and Netflix, Neo, BlackBerry. BlackBerry still exists, huh? Yeah, Neo is kind of selling off too, but if you look at, let's say, maybe 15 minutes, let's look at 15 minutes and see if you see. Yeah, we clearly sold off, so that looks like a good resistance and some support right here. So 46 looks like, if you look at the immediate 46, if it break 46, look at that, that support right here, that was the resistance, and there are some support right here, and we are even not looking like longer term. But if you look at here, 46 looks like a good support. So if you hold 46, that's good. If we do not hold, probably we're going down. And for immediate, we need to break out this for anything upside. Yeah, exactly right here, look at that, it's right here from 2 days ago too, right? So we need to break that 48 48 44 level. That's on the upside. um, Pretty flat right now. That's why you don't just get in right in the middle, you'll be chopped out if it goes that way. So if it goes up, you go long and put your stop loss, a tight stop loss and whatnot if you are day trading. If you are not day trading, if you are swinging, look at the daily. Look at the daily, how it looks. uh, that's a resistance, strong resistance from before. And I think we have yeah, we have good support around 44, uh, 44, 45 level. So as long as you hold, should be good. But if you don't hold, yeah, 45, yeah, 45 had some good area of support. There's a lot of wicks right there. Yeah, that area. As long as they hold, it can actually go. And for really upside, it has to breach that 51 level. So look at the range. That's how you play. Yeah, we could actually go to 30s. So if it this implies, probably it's heading to 30, maybe 35. That would be good. But yeah, exactly. So I think Michelle, you got like you got what you got some neo around like 46, 47. So if you sell cover calls, you're like break even, and other things you are doing is like you're decreasing your cost, right? Even if you got it like 47, if you sell it 2 3 weeks, you probably at 43, 44, right? You keep reducing it, right? Then if it gets sold at 46, you made some money. I mean, don't chase, right? I mean, of course you won't be happy, but Netflix, Jumia, and Putan, I'm gonna look into Netflix. Okay, Netflix is also kinda, yeah, Netflix is actually getting to that resistance level. So yeah, right here in the resistance, almost getting there. So 510 would be a resistance for Netflix. So that's a good time to sell. Right now we are way below, but it was a nice, a really tight range and finally ran. Um, I'm I'm not gonna change. I sold when it was 25. It's been selling off, then coming back up. uh, but I'm not really getting in. I think 21 would have been really good point. Um, I got in, I added somewhere. I was from here. I added somewhere and I sold right around 24, 25. I did not get this right. You never know, but man, that was a crazy 40. But it's been struggling right there. And Putan, Putan, one of my favorite. I'm just running Iron Condor every week. This week I ran, um, making like 500, 600 something every week with this. So that's a really good. And if you look at this, really kind of in the range bound. in this range. So 15. uh yeah, yeah, I like this, but this has been really in range bound. I think with more shutdown we may kind of see there again, but they've been really growing. No earnings, so that's good, but it's been really range bound. Really bad for going calls though. It's just kind of ranging, unless you day trade looking at the setup. If you guys have not subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, all right, all right, all right. What else? What else? What else? Okay, so one thing is, so sell puts. See, one thing is like I wouldn't really buy. I mean, give me an example, which is like all time high, probably like 52. Maybe I think like Roku, maybe. I wouldn't really enter like, okay, right, or I could even look into the Bhutan. I would not really enter when it's like, let's say this is like you are right here, right? At 237. I would not enter. That's not a good trade, right? It could be just the top and you can have a good sell off if you had a put, but if you are selling puts, you may be assigned and it may go down further, right? You don't know your risk reward. So one thing I do is I always look for a good setup. I don't go just cause, but I will do is like all time top breakout, which is in this case, right? It was top, well, not all time high breakout, but if you look at this, this was a this would be good entry for me. Like for example, this happened before this, so it breaking out, so breaking out all time top, that's when I enter, right? Quick gain, boom, sell it out, like I'm up like literally from 38, 40 to 50, 60. I would even wait for that to I usually, if it's an option, I'll just sell it because I'm already up like 100+%, right? There's no reason to be greedy. This is not a swing, a good volume. The thing is, like, it could have a swing, it just hold it. And again, it depends on a lot of factors, like if it's a lead, probably really doesn't matter much. If you are like kind of swinging, you got in, you maybe your plan was to swing, but you got in a lot of profit, you get out, right? Now that's done. Now it's sold off, not getting in. Now it goes this and again breakout, right? Again it breakout. That's a good time to get in for me. I won't really get in right here, not even here, because it could go either way. At the end of the day, the probability of a stock going up or down is 50-50. So tomorrow it can literally open here or even open here. Nobody knows for sure. Like, nobody. If somebody is telling you, he's lying, he's bullshitting, he's, again, on the long term, if you look at the long term, right? From here, we are here, literally from 118 to 291, right? On the long term, stock will go up. Stock always go up, right? In the long term, there's no doubt about it. It's always gonna go up. Again, it has to be a good stock. There could be a really crappy company. So basically, if they're running their business good, they're increasing revenue, they are doing innovations, they are just they are grabbing the market share, they are profitable. Even doesn't have to be profitable, they will go up. But in the short term, if you look at the short term, you always have that zigzag and everything. Yeah, you can have those random crash like March, April, or September. We had some crash, so you can always get those. Uh, but that's why I don't really buy the top. I buy the breakout. I buy with the good risk reward. And if this was a top, and if it goes here, I will actually sell it if I got in somewhere around here. Maybe this was a support, right? This was a support from this area, so got in right here and sell it right here. Then it breakout, I enter, then I sell it. So that's how I do it. I was doing put on iron condor. I did some square too. I think I did a square this week. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it still was set up really good. 300, 350. That's a good spread. Again, so Robert, I will tell you one thing. No strategy is foolproof, right? It was, if it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. So I'll tell you what's the flaw. So again, it's a good idea. Like, I think a lot of people even don't know what you are talking. So you are already well ahead of a lot of people's. But so swing, right? So if you get assigned, you put assigned, now you sell a calls. I mean, then what could happen is it can keep going down, right? You don't know that in the short term. It can even keep going down. So you cannot just say you will just make it. It can actually go down, down, down. That could happen. But yeah. Uh, but I guess you got the idea, right? Again, you are on the right track. I'm not saying don't do that or something, but I'm just saying, like, what we yeah, you use it, you sell covered calls, and in the money you get called away. But what if it just keeps dropping, right? I mean, it could happen, and it happens from time to time. So, but that's a good idea. Whatever you're doing, that's pretty good idea, actually. I'm not gonna say that's a bad idea. All right, guys, if you have not like and subscribe, don't forget that like and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. I'm in a Twitter. I tweet sometime good, sometime bad, I guess. But if you are in a Twitter, follow me. uh, yeah, if you guys in a Twitter, if not, sign up. You can, it's pretty, I like people is pretty good. People 2020 crowd, Oktay Snow crowd. Look at this guy. This guy, Sin Hendrik, right? He's really bearish. I want a full refund on my college econ class. Oh man, how do I? Man, that was funny. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'll post charts and whatnot, and yeah, so a lot of contents around there. My position sometimes, what I'm looking. A lot of people's asking. I still think T Doc will be good leap right now. Yeah, it was like 60, 70 would be so good, but still we are still way below their all-time high of 50. I can definitely see them going to 50. It's already 201. That's good. I do have some leaps, and it's been working really well. I I wanted a little bit more pullback, but oh well. Mm, But this is looking really good. Okay, Zoom is selling off. Apple is right there. Facebook, AYX. Oh wow, look at crowd. Literally, I was telling crowd. I actually tweeted yesterday Strong's watch and crowd. I'm already in, so I'm not adding in, but man, that was a great breakout and look at that. Look at crowd. Look at crowd. Yeah, crowd was really primed. Even Okta is doing great. But yeah, Tesla kind of died down. Man, look at oh man, Fiverr is crazy. I guess I need to get Fiverr, man. Oh, 137 to this been like crazy. Deep just get bought. Wow. Okay, I was a little surprised, but man, did it so? Not really. So it went. This is crazy. So this is again breaking all-time high. Wow, pretty crazy. Yeah. Oh, I was thinking of like long-term leaps. That's what I was thinking for. I wouldn't really play earnings, but I think Docu probably primed. They will probably blow out the earnings, and you can play after that. But yeah, with the earnings, it just yeah. But if you wanna play, you can. So Nasdaq pins. Okay, okay. So Nasdaq, some good support around this area. So kind of going to the sub, going down. That would be good. If it goes down, that would be good. Oh man, that was a huge day. 29. What was that? 29 to 39. That's the all-time high. So I'm just looking at daily. I should have probably went from weekly, but that's there. Other key level I see is right here. You can see that. There's some support around right around this area too, 122. So if it, I think 122 breach, we're probably gonna go to 20s. If not, we'll probably retest this 30, and if we breach that, we'll probably go 32. Then we'll test previous 137 and all-time high of 40. And we have oh yeah. So what I do is if it's really dip day, one thing is that's why I have a lot of cash always reserved. So on the dip, like was it yesterday was a dip? Yeah, yesterday was a dip, right? So what I did was I sold a lot of puts. I sell puts, right? And actually we recovered on the same day. I bought back and I made money doing that. So that was it's not a huge money, but I make money on that. And the other things I did was so if you in that calls are really cheap, right? Calls gets cheaper when it's really selling off. Calls get cheaper. So what I did yesterday was yesterday I did actually Tesla calls. I did Tesla 500 and 510 deep in the money this week only, and my expectation was basically Tesla will not go to 510 by end, and as long as it's above 510 I'll be making money. Again, there's not much, but I had 20 of those and I got for 840 on average, 840 850. So I got 840, right? So I have 20 of those. So for each one max I can make is about 160. So 20 times 160, that's like cool 3200 within 2 days. And if you look at Tesla, already up, I can literally sell it for almost like 2500 profit. But I'm waiting tomorrow. I think I'll get max. So I may actually close it out at maybe 30 or 31, just cause I don't like the uncertainty, but this looks pretty good. So that's what I did. So that's the other things I do. But again, it may, you have to be careful. It always, again, nothing is foolproof, so it can actually bite you back. So what I do is basically, so I got that credit, so I never risk everything. So if it goes more down or down, let's say my profit is 3000, so if I'm at loss of let's say 1500, I'll get out, I'll just close it out. Usually put credit spread, you will get it's you can make more ROI. You can make ROI. So basically depends, if I have a lot of money and I can just do sell puts too. If I don't have a lot of money, the cash available, I'll just do put credit spread. So think about it, right? So let's say uh, I guess those are some good question actually. Like I think a lot of peoples are not ignoring those. You should actually do those. Yeah, this is very slow, but this adds up. Your probability of losing is really less and doesn't even matter. Like your theta is not decaying and it's working for you, and it's what else I got to say? I guess I can show you in Apple itself, right? So think about it, like Apple. Let's say let's go next week just for the Apple December. I'll make a video about different strategy and everything one day. But Apple, right? December 11, I'm looking for, right? So if you sell puts, So sell puts, you are bullish. So sell puts, let's say you are selling puts for uh, pretty safe. So what's the delta? Around 150. Yeah, 9 delta, that's pretty good, I think. Yeah, 9 delta is pretty good. So 115, right? If you sell 115, you're making 29 bucks. Not a lot of money, right? So not a lot of, but you are tying up your 11, that's almost 11,500. You're tying up 11,500, right? Instead, if you do, sell puts, I guess 15, and buy puts 10 maybe. You're making $17, but you are only tying up uh, $500, right? So how many you can make? So that's 10 times, even if it's 10, so 11, 22. So 17 times 22. Let me grab the calculator. So with the same collateral, you are making lot of returns, right? Man, my laptop is so slow. 17 times 22. So you make $374, right? That's a good return. This is just a week, right? So there you're making 27. But one thing you need to remember is here you are risking a lot of money too. You're risking 11,000. There, at least you get shares. Here, if it goes below 110, you lost everything, literally. You lost. So one thing is, if it goes a little bit below, let's say it's if my I'm planning for 374, right? So max I will lose is 370. If I'm down, if it goes down and the value will become 700 something, I'll just cut it out. I'm just out. Unless you have a lot of time. If you have weekly, I'm just out. So I lost 74. That's out. I'm not risking 10,000 or 11,000. Right? Sometimes gap up, gap down kind of happens. So that's why you avoid events and some things. That's why. But sometimes you can have endless random upgrade downgrade. But if you are doing this strategy, what I would suggest at least is, like, for example, your plan was like 15, right? Since you can make lot more money, uh, and what you should probably do is think about, maybe instead of 15, go to 10, right? So sell put 10 and buy put 5. There you're making more or less just $6. So 20 times 6 is 120. 120 is pretty decent for 10,000 collateral, right? So here it's extremely unlikely it will go that down, but you still racked up 120 in a week, right? uh, and 120 is pretty good. So that's 10,000 120, right? If it's 100,000, you made 1,200 in a week. And in a 52 week, if you can actually do it, that's 62,400. That's a great return, bro. I mean, you can literally double your money every 2 years. So if you thousand, within 5 years you'll have a couple million if you start with like 50 100,000. So yeah, but you need to have a discipline and you need to do it. Yeah, yeah. So if it's deep in the money, you can let it expire. That's fine. Yeah, for Tesla, if it's like unless Tesla goes like by tomorrow, like 550 below, that would be maybe some risky. So if it does, it's above 550, I'll probably let it expire to get max profit. Well, can you open an account in Robinhood? I don't know. If you can open an account, you should be able to. So I would not know if you can, depending where you are. But Jason, I guess that makes help. Yeah. Again, lot the game is don't be cocky, and then don't try to get like like a quick money. Have a patience, and it will pay off in a long run. If you don't, um, you will probably get slaughtered. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channels. I will probably make a video on a lot of this topic, so I think a lot of people missing on it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell button so that you'll get all my notification and whatnot. And also, if you are in the other platform, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm in a Facebook. I will be uploading bunch of, I think I started posting charts and whatnot. So if you go to one of any of my videos, but let's yeah, if you have not, you should probably watch this too. I always do that, and it's basically good for everyone. Funnel your uh, uh, well, somebody doesn't like this video, I guess. Well, it's fine. I didn't expect, but uh, I just wanted to, if you go there, there's a
Steve and Dave use eToro to trade
okay. Yeah,
cryptocurrencies.
I guess you guys can use eToro. I don't know, I haven't used, but I'm in a Facebook and Instagram. Go there, click that like and subscribe. I will be posting a lot of charts tonight probably. I had to post, so I do post charts, and I just want to kind of go through all the platforms because you never know which platform can shut you down for no freaking reason. But okay. Man, this spam are like killing me. But yeah, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. It just helps me, and it just helps me to keep making more videos. And other than that, I think we've been here for a while. So if you have, yeah, Neo is kind of pumping and dumping. We can look into Neo. Somehow my internet is really slow today. I need to kind of talk to my Xfinity. It's like 500 Mbps, but what's the speed? Oh wow, Neo is going down. Looks like it's going to A, maybe 38. That's a perfect wave. I want just a speed test. So slow. It's supposed to be 500. No, something. It does. Download is pretty good. I guess my upload is. Well, I'm downloading. Well, it's supposed to be like 300, but it shows 16. But oh well. Download is just 4 Mbps. Okay. Hmm. Oh, download that. This is upload. It says fast. I guess not too fast. Oh well. Just, yeah. Anyway, I guess you got the idea. And yeah, if you have any more questions or comment, let me know. If not, it's a great. Uh, yeah. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe in other channels. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you guys maybe today is Thursday, tomorrow. So yeah, good luck.